So the update from aboard the Girolamo is we're still on course to Gaza. We're undeterred by Israel's piracy and kidnapping of our comrades in the Mediterranean. And we expect that we could be kidnapped also within the next few hours. But again, we're not making it easy for them, and we will push on for as long as we can. Again, how are Israel able to come into Europe twice? Firstly off the coast of Greece, and over the last 2 days maraud around European waters, kidnapping EU citizens and international citizens in broad daylight. And this is allowed. People talk about sovereignty. This is Israel infringing on the sovereignty of all European countries, and to no actions from any European government. And why is that? Why are Israel allowed to violate every international law under the sun for decades, along with the United States, to no consequence? Well, it's about time that the governments followed our lead and showed some leadership, showed some courage and showed some conviction, and bring Israel and the United States to account.